Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, March 16th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post attendance. Also, please make sure your quarterly grades are all synced to PowerSchool and ready for report cards. All grades must be entered and verified before leaving on Teacher Workday. I sent out instructions about grade verification yesterday, along with resending the information that Ms. Linscomb had sent about the deadlines and those kind of things. Please return the revised supply list to Ms. Horton today, no later than today. All PST documentation should be current. Today, our administrative instructional team will be coming to do 2nd through 5th grade individual goal setting. I think they've done 2nd and some of 4th already, so they are meeting with those students individually and talking about some great goals they have. Book fair will continue all this week through Thursday. Announcements also, these are mostly for students. Cell phones, you should not have a cell phone in class. If students bring a cell phone to school, it must remain in the backpack and powered off. Outerwear. Many students are wearing jackets, sweatshirts that do not follow our uniform policy. Once students have come into the building from outside in their cars and are in the classrooms, outerwear should meet the uniform guideline. No one should be wearing a hoodie. No one should be wearing a hoodie. If you see someone wearing their hoodie, tell them that it's out of uniform and they need to take it off and store it in their classroom. No hoodies. Late duty today is Miss Granger and tomorrow is Miss Peralta. Important dates. Today is Spring Pictures. Thursday is the end of the 3rd quarter, and for St. Patrick's Day, for $1 you can wear green. Friday, March 18th is Teacher Workday and no school for students. Monday, March 21st, 4th quarter begins. March 21st through 25th, we have Acap testing and 2nd and 3rd grade reading. An Acap alternate. Tuesday, March 22nd, we have Math PLT. Wednesday, March 23rd, we have an HMH representative on campus. Friday, March 25th, we have Feel Good Friday. Also, we have World Epilepsy Day. Students may wear a purple shirt with uniform pants on this day for a $2 donation to support epilepsy. Tuesday, March 29th, we have PST. Also today, we are going to have some other visitors on campus, so make sure that you are aware of that. Again, we have a bring a $1 donation to PTO on Thursday to wear a green shirt to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. It's that time again. We have some Acap Scholar supporters. So we have partnered our lower grades with our upper testing grades so that you can support them as they enter this testing season and cheer them on. So pre-K is going to be supporting Miss Overstreet's class. Miss Waller's class is going to be supporting Miss Bolton and Miss Langford's classes. Miss Lee's class is going to support Miss Wolf and Miss Moore's class. Miss Guidry's testing partners are Arch and Barnes. Miss Cunningham's partners are Everett and Heishman. Miss Shaver's partners are Hamlin and Washam. Miss Clark's partners are Miss Bertolino and Miss Peralta. Miss Duberg's partners are Battaglia and Granger, and Miss Hogan's partners are Weaver and Curd. Please cheer on and encourage your Acap testing classes during the weeks that they test. Signs, notes, cheers, chants, songs, and high fives are all acceptable. Of course, you can't cheer, chant, and sing during the test, but you might record a little something on your cell phone, teachers, and email it to their teacher, and they can play it either first thing in the morning or afterwards to give them a little encouragement. You pump them up any way that you can, as long as during the testing time you are quiet. All right, so we shall cheer on our friends as they prepare to rock this Acap test. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Also, we will have archery this afternoon, so my archery friends, make sure you bring your yellow folder and come prepared to know the 11 steps of archery success. Have a great day, Shepherd Scholars.